With BIGVU, video marketing has never been easier. I make polished videos in no time. Firstly, I set up crystal clear goals. Do I want more leads, to build my personal brand, or retain current customers? I look for keywords to gain rankings on Google, Facebook, and YouTube. Then, I write my video script and include my keywords in the headline. I keep it conversational. You only have 8 seconds to retain your viewer's attention. BIGVU gives you a teleprompter, so you don't have to memorize or wing it. I sound natural, keep eye-to-eye contact with my audience, and I record while reading the text, scrolling on my phone. Then, I supercharge my sound by applying boost audio and add background music for an emotional touch. I give the professional look by including my logo and titling. Then I optimize my video for mobile. I change it to square and add captions to attract the 80% that watch videos muted. Next, I unleash my video to the world using YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest.